the Educaloy. Today we are discuss about the Roman contributors in geography. So after Greek, the Roman contributed broadly to the growth and development of geographical knowledge. They were primarily concerned with the commercials and administrative problems and plan for the defense aspects as well as the military consequence on the basis of regional aspect. The knowledge of geography was necessarily both for the effective for administrative particular region, their historical preference and their establishment. So of course the Roman major contributions was mainly in the field of historical and regional geography, but they also made contributions in the field of physical and mathematical geography. So first one, the Roman geographer is Strabo. Strabo was born in Amasia and Turkey in about 64 BC. He is considered as the father of regional geography. He stressed on the divisions of the world into the natural, not into the political boundaries. As Strabo wrote that Italy has protected geographical locations because of which the people of this country are more advanced and developed. His most important work is Geographica. In this, he has tried to compile all the knowledge of mathematical, physical and political and historical geography in the form of general treatise. Geographica consists of 17 volumes. His other work is Historical Memoir. Historical Memoir, which is wrote 43 volumes under the title of Historical Memoirs. Strabo was the first scholar who have laid the foundations of chronological writing in geography. He was first to declare geography as a chronological science. So of course we need to know that what is chronology. Chronology is the study of place and regions. It's basically the causal relations between the geographical phenomena occurring within a particular region and a study of the spatial distributions of the organism. So his writings are found in form of the quotations. In the physical geography, he propounded the theory of alternative elevations and depressions of extensive area. He compiled large amount of material highlights, as well as he also described the geography on the basis of the regional aspects, which is more like acceptance on the basis of the descriptions of the region and their establishment on the basis of their physical, political, administrative criteria. Now next one is Ptolemy. Ptolemy was a native of Egypt. He lived and wrote as Alexandria about the middle of the 2nd century BC. He was a genius who developed sound principles of mathematical geography. His writing inspired the geographers and explorers of the great age of discovery in the time of 14th to 16th century. Ptolemy's main contributions was field of mathematical geography. He made use of material of Marinus and Hipparchus in the writing of cartography. His best known work is Syntactics, popularly known as Almagest, and the Outline of the World. The book Almagest deals with the complicated problems of astronomy and mathematical geography, and his second book, The Outline of Geography, focus on the geocentric concept. His second most important work, The Geography, as also known as the Guide of Geography, deals with the theories and maps of projections. He asserted that geography is a science which deals with the map making. So first, The concept of map making is given by Ptolemy. He was focused on that geography or the representations of the geographical aspects which is mainly focused on the or reflect by the help of the map making. The major contributions of Ptolemy to cartography has been used the reticule of latitude and longitude and the mathematical constructions of the projections for his map. So despite all of the omissions and his work, Ptolemy prepared a good map of the world, and the concept of terra incognita helped in the discoveries of Australia, South America and Antarctica. He was contributing in the determinant of the circumference of the earth, dimensions of the habitable world, time meridian, graticules and the design of the projections. As he was give a broader contributions in the aspects of geography basis on the as a contributor of the Roman geographer. So come to the next slide. Next is Pomponius Mela. So Mela is an author of only ancient treatise on the geography in classical Latin. His books was De Chorographia, which is focused on the concerning of chorography. It's also remained the influential until the beginning of the age of explorations in 13th century later. Probably for the general reader, Mela's geography was cited by Pliny the Elder in his Encyclopedia of Natural Science. Mela was mainly focused on the De Chorographia, which is based on the regional descriptions about the aspects of Roman territory and the nearest territory. Next is Pliny the Elder, one of the important Roman geographer. He was known as the Pliny the Elder. He's a Roman author, naturalist and natural philosopher. Amongst the Pliny's greatest works was the 20-volume work which is known as Bella Germani. In the name of English of this book is the history of the German world. So he was described broadly on the sensible things about the history of German words. He also wrote the books Historia Naturalis, which is in 37 volumes. So that's done. These are the 4 Roman geographers: Strabo, next is Ptolemy, then Strabo, Ptolemy, Pomponius Mela and then Pliny. These 4 geographers, the contributions of Roman geography for these geographers is accepted and verified too much. They were given the several contributions in the field of geography, physical geography, mathematical geography as well as regional geography. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please share, comments, subscribe. If you have any queries regarding today's class, please write your queries in the comment sections. Thank you.